everyone, and welcome to day 18 of Vlogmas. This is where we've been talking about some everything. This week in particular is super exciting because we're doing London week. We're going every single day telling you about my adventure in London, but also what this whole Vlogmas has been centered around is opening my advent calendar from the Body Shop. And today is day 18, so let's go ahead and get right into that. And I've been recording it on my phone here, showing you the B-roll in real time so you can see my my response to everything. But let me go ahead and get started. Boom. Day 18, where are you? Let's see. I always have a hard time with opening this, and I know you're tired of hearing me say I have a hard time, but here it is right on top, and let's see what it says here. Oh, this is so sloppy. All right, and reading it through the screen is a task and a half, and already I see the word sheet mask. So if this is a sheet mask for my face, I'm already excited because I use those all the time. All right, your sheet mask is enriched with community fair trade aloe vera. The multi-talented aloe vera plant has provided a way for farmers to make a living from local resources without chopping down trees and promote sustainable agricultural practices. If this is the aloe vera sheet mask, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Oh. Anyway, it is a sheet mask, but it's vitamin C. And we've been just talking about in another one for day 16, I think it was, we had the moisturizer that was vitamin C. Vitamin C does wonders for brightening the complexion, and I would love to have this for my face. See, it even says illuminate. It brightens. It looks really good. Gives life, youthfulness, all of the things you want for your face. Wonderful. So I'm super excited about this one. So I'm definitely going to be using that. So now, before we jump into London week, I do want to open something with you. I got this in the mail. I already know what this is. I pretty much gifted it to myself with a program that we did at work that I project managed. Everyone got a little bit of swag. And because I am who I am, I didn't want us to get like a pin or a mug or whatever. I wanted us to invest in something really nice. So I got everyone, and let me be careful about exposing where I work here, but I got everyone North Face. Can you see this? North Face fleece jackets, which I absolutely love. I kept it really plain. It has a really small work symbol here, but I kept it really plain. So like if you were to even leave this company, it would be something that you would feel good about wearing. You had the option of getting this heather blue color or heather gray, and you could pick your size. I got this a small women's, of course, so it could just be like fitted. Hopefully this works, and I don't really mind, but it's the fact that it was a nice quality piece, and I'm glad that I picked this for the team, and hopefully everyone else thought it was really cool. So let me get into London week, and we'll be right back. Good morning. It's day 3, and here's my outfit of the day. I don't know that you can see it very well. It's this asymmetrical dress. Let me see what I can do. I don't know, is this any better? I have on this, shirt dress that has asymmetry going on. It has ruffles all around. And it's midi / maxi on one side, short on the other, and this ruffling goes all the way around the back. And it also has this little tie here on the side. I've left it unbuttoned a bit and popped the collar a tad bit on both the blazer. You can see that on both the blazer and the shirt. And then I have on this necklace here from the single solitaire sapphire necklace from Nordstrom, this right here. Perfect. And then I popped it on with some sweater tights. I don't know if you could even see the color. This is kind of distorted, and navy blue Doc Marten boots. Perfect for this weather. But that, my friends, is the outfit of the day. But you can go ahead and check my either Instagram or my OOTDs to see what this looks like, sort of in maybe better color and light. I don't know which is better, this one or the other one, but check both and you can kind of get a feel. Rise and grind. This is the first day that I didn't oversleep. No, it was just yesterday. One day. I'm good today, and well, I didn't oversleep, but didn't sleep well, and I don't look well either. Had breakfast to meet my team, which is right downstairs, and then we're gonna walk over to the office. Maybe I'll try to grab some different sites
than what I grabbed from the commute yesterday. All right. Just like any other big city, there's always going to be sirens, right? That's what that looks like. I am just now leaving the office. It is 7:30, which means it's one.
To stay on Holborn by
another one? Oh, this is a police car this time coming. It's always some melee. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, it stopped. It's anyway. Anyways, so yeah, it is about 7:30 my time, so which means it is 1:30. Back at home. I am knackered. I'm exhausted. I am not well. My stomach was giving me trouble all day today, which was for me very disruptive because I kept having to leave my meeting because my stomach was not well. So I just want to go back to the room and relax. It's late, so obviously there isn't much I would be doing, and I'm chilling by myself because the rest of my coworkers went on to do something else. Anywho, there's Christmas decorations everywhere. They're lovely, as you can see. But my coworkers have gone on to do something else with each other. They have reservations somewhere, and I was invited, but having had such a long day, I can't. They, my coworkers who I'm here to meet with, they wrapped their day at about, I feel like it was 4:30 they wrapped their day, and I obviously, as you can see, didn't wrap until 3 hours later because I had some other obligations. But shit, let me just cross the street. Anyway, so I need to do a couple things: find something to eat, and also find maybe perhaps a pharmacy to find some antacids or something like that to ease my stomach. And it's weird because I'm not hungry because of it, but whatever. I'm just uncomfortable. And I'm sleepy, so hopefully I can sleep at a normal time. I already explained, I think, that I didn't go to bed at a decent time. I went to bed. I fell asleep at about like 1:30 in the morning, and then woke back up at 2:30 in the morning. Didn't go back to sleep until about 5 a.m. and then turned back around to get back up at. I was supposed to get up earlier, but I didn't get up until 7 because I had to meet my team members for breakfast at 7:20. And just like last time, luckily for me, I had put all got my clothes ready, packed my bag, kind of had everything, and showered the night before. Just had everything pretty much ready, so it wasn't too much faffing around that was required in the morning. But I don't really have much to share because I didn't do anything besides work, and I did step out for a Starbucks when we had a lunch break because I wasn't really up for eating. I just was trying to ease my stomach, and I got some tea. That was about it.
So that was London Week Day 18. Hopefully you enjoyed that, but you got to come back because we have more days to cover. The story and saga continues with day 19 tomorrow. So go ahead and hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, share it with your friends because we're trying to grow. Once we hit 2,000 subscribers and we're monetized, I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway, and you don't want to miss out on that. Bye.